Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's create a 3D bold handwriting text effects in Adobe After Effects. What I mean by saying this is that I will create a ball which will be duplicated as the ball is traveling along a handwritten path so that a handwriting will be formed by the duplication of the ball. So right click on the left side of the timeline, head over to new and then click on shape layer and then set the fill mode to radial gradient. Create a circle by clicking on the ellipse tool. Hold the Control and the Shift keys on your keyboard, drag the cursor so that a circle is formed, just like this. You can even adjust the position of the specular light and the color of the edge of the ball. You can also make adjustments to the color, just like this, for example. Then when you're done, let's create a handwriting. That's the path where the ball will travel along. Right click on the left side of the timeline, head over to new and shape layer. Click on it again and make sure that the fill is turned off. And then write anything. Click on pen tool and then write anything. Hold the left click button as you're dragging the workspace so that you can make curves. Don't make the handwriting go out of the composition. Now that you've created the handwritten path, you go under shape layer 2 and then head over to this. Select the path, then copy it by holding the Control and the C keys on your keyboard, and then under transform for the ball, click on position and then paste it by hitting the Control and the V keys, just like this, and then the ball will travel along the handwritten path. Now all we have to do is to have this ball duplicated. Head over, click on the layer, click on effect, head over to time and then click on echo, just like this, and then set the echo time to -0.001 for example, and then we set the echo operator to composite in front so that the ball will appear in the front of the composition, just like this. The ball stops at 2 seconds, and then all we have to do now is to duplicate the balls, just like this, and then by dragging the slider for number of echoes until the ball fills every path, and then it will stop at the starting point. It's already stopped at the starting point. And let's make the ball smaller by heading over here and then adjust the size of the ball, just like so, until it looks like this. You can even do tweaks by scaling the ball by making some keyframes by turning on the stopwatch, and then at 2 seconds you make at 1 second you make the ball slightly bigger, just like this, and then at 2 seconds you make it bigger again, just like this. Maybe you can even change the color or tweak the position of the specular light and the edge of the ball, and it will turn into this. Doesn't it look cool? So that's it. That's how you can make a 3D bold handwritten text effects in After Effects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!